Okay, here we go. Now, we're at Brian and Kevin McAteers. And who is this pretty girl? What's your name?
Say, hey, it's Marianne. You look awesome.
Say hello.
We can send
Is that?
Oh, and who is this?
Is there music?
Oh, yeah, Laura. Uh-oh. And who is this? Oh, look at Honey. Bonnie.
Man, obnoxious.
I think I'm Steven Spielberg with it.
Where did you get That's so dangerous.
Great. Hi, Gabby. Very useless, huh? And there, oh, where'd it go?
It's great. We'll take it down the beach later. Or we'll go.
Oh, I
We're
can
going-
see it. With that zoom.
Yeah, alrighty.
Zoom in on that.
Are we here on the restaurant?
We gotta go
first?
feed our fat faces first.
I like my hair. I'm letting it outgrow, you know, like grow out. And so I really don't know what to do with it today. So I just kind of put it in this thing. This cost me a lot.
Are they
This right
real?
here. These are real pearls set by real diamonds right
They
here.
look it.
So I just threw that in my hair. This is a present from Jerry. Christmas.
Oh, that's lovely.
Christmas.
Oh,
Okay,
that
right
is.
here. Christmas.
Can you try that nightgown on? So you can see
Which one?
the one you normally wear to bed.
Oh, well.
Sound too sexy?
It's too tiny. Barb, and what did I give you for your birthday present?
Laura gave me a lovely little ensemble. What would you call it,
Lingerie.
Laura? Lingerie.
Sexy lingerie.
Sexy, very sexy.
Tell us about it, Barbara.
It's kind of like a light gray color, very sexy low cut here. With
Oh,
the braids.
yeah. I want to do
Little panties
something.
to pull up on my
Do a cookie
buttocks.
song,
You know?
ready?
Yeah, cookie song.
Here, yes.
Sing
Cookie
a song.
song.
Ready?
1, 2,
Come on.
3,
Go.
go.
1, 2. All right, we'll
All
sing
right,
one.
I'll do it then. You don't you do it. I'll just do it.
Put
Put a cookie in your mouth.
It's a singing, Barb.
Put it in my ear, 'cause then I know can hear. Don't put it in my eye, 'cause that will make
Don't
me
sing,
cry.
Marianne. This is just look.
But put a cookie in my mouth. What do it again?
What do you do with the
Ready?
cookie in your mouth?
Put a cookie.
It's better when Marianne
Oh,
does it.
forget
She
it.
doesn't want to
Turn
get
it
it.
off.
Fun.
How you want to do it with me? Nobody's even watching. They're just talking. Do it with me. Ready? Put a cookie in my mouth. You're not doing it. You gotta do the face. You gotta pick your face up. Look at me. Ready? Put a cookie in my mouth. Don't put it in my ear, 'cause then I know can hear. Don't put it in my, 'cause that won't make me. But put a cookie in my mouth.
Oh, we got enough. That was great.
Do it.